In this video, we will discuss the best kind of keywords to target on your Amazon affiliate sites. As we have seen earlier, you want to be using mostly buyer keywords. You can have a few pages focused on non-buyer informational keywords, but the majority of your pages should be focused on buyer keywords, and that too only specific types of buyer keywords. Let's suppose you are building a site about golf balls. You want to target phrases like best golf balls, golf ball reviews, and product name and model number. In addition, within any niche, there will be several sub-niches. We need to find those and target them as well. In general, we go after keywords like best product, product reviews, and product name and model number. At times, it may not be possible to rank for keywords like product name because you might be competing head-on with the company making those products. Many times, doing that is futile because Google will not rank your affiliate site above the company that makes the product. Like if you have a site about shoes, you would not want to compete directly with companies like Nike by trying to target their brand names. Instead of competing head-on with companies in every niche, we search for low competition buyer keywords that are easy to rank for.